Hello friends and assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using different languages, and I hope you enjoy that all stuff which we have done here. So today we are also doing an amazing project using React 18 because previously on you all know that we have covered up many of the projects using React 18. So today basically I will be telling you that how to just build this amazing project using React 18, and I hope you'll be enjoying and understanding today's video as well. So remember to see our today's video from start to end because it will be giving you help if you want to learn like how to just use means how to just use React 18 from start to end. So today in this video I will be telling you that how you can use pages and next step to just build our project. I'll be telling you what are the pages and how you can use it using next step, and what is our next step after using that pages. So I will be giving you whole briefing about this project of React 18. I hope you'll be understanding this video and it will be helpful for you. So if it is helpful for you and you are learning things from this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand these all stuff which you are understanding. And I hope you'll be seeing that all videos in future as well, which will be giving you help moving forward. So today, like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project of like this, you can say this amazing project of pages and next steps. So now we'll be starting with this and we'll be seeing that how we can use this tag here and what will the things we'll be using in this tag from start to end. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video. But before that, you can also check my previous videos which I have covered up because that will giving you help. Like from start to end, we have covered up many of the React 18 videos. From in the starting, I've telling you how to create React folder, how to start your own React tab like that. So you can check that video out because that will also giving you help if you want to learn that things. So now we'll be starting with our video and basically seeing that how we can use pages and next step as our tag in React 18 from start. Today we'll be working with React 18 and basically I'll be telling you that how you can just build this amazing project of React 18. And today we'll be learning about pages and next step in React 18, like what is this and how you can use this pages and next step in React 18 when you want to use and how you can work with this. So for building this amazing project of pages and next step, here you have to open your VS Code. And after opening the VS Code, here you have to close all the folders and files which you have opened, make a new window here. Then I will be opening my folder from which we'll be working with our React 18, which is app1 folder. So I'll be opening it through my local disk C because we have created there. Now I will be running this command of React 18 by writing the command of npm start, which is the command to run our React 18 or React or React.js app. So this is our two main files, which is app.js and second one is app.css. So I'll be moving through these two files. Then I'll be raising all the stuff from this file. In the previous video, we have learned about link tag. So that were the codes of that video. I've erased that because we'll be not needing in today's video. Then this is the title which we have given. So I will be changing the title as well because today we are learning about pages and next steps. So here I will be writing the title of pages and next step like this. Save it. Now we have also changed the title here. So when it will be opening in our default browser, so we'll be getting our title here written. So it will be opening on our default Microsoft Edge browser because I've made Microsoft Edge as my default browser for working with React, React.js or Next.js. So now it is taking some loading and opening it. So I will be doing it side by side here. You can see we are getting the command of starting development server. Now it will be giving us the you can say option that successfully compiled here. If it is not having any error, means if this browser is not having any error or it is working, you can see now it has been run. So we are getting our title and then we are also getting the same command webpack compile successfully, means there is not having any error in this server, so we can work with this. So I'll be closing this terminal now because now we'll be not needing this. So now here you can just start your main codes about today's video. So like I'm telling you, in today's video we'll be learning about pages and next steps. So I'll be telling you that how you can create different pages here. So for creating different pages here, you have to now just write a tag here. So after writing this, I will be now just creating the tag which should be like root. So you will be using this root tag here if you want to just create different pages. So here I will be writing root path. So here I will be writing this is a way of path. So here I will be now writing the save. You can see we are getting this. It is saying route is not defined. So you can just import this route from the top if you want to import, but I will be not importing it directly from here. So you can create different, you can just link different pages from this pages file and then you can move on to the next step here. So for just linking the pages, you have to just write the command. So the command for linking the pages is that if you just create this and if I just write the command of like animation. So in animation command, you can run your project here. So I will be pressing Ctrl Z to just remove that all stuff, because today we are learning about pages and next step. So you can create different pages here. So for creating pages, you can use HR line here. So if I write this HR, and after writing this HR, if I just do one thing, like if I save it, you can see you will be getting one HR line, means this is the page line which we are getting here. So you can just copy and paste this page line, so it will be easy for you to define. So here, paste it, then paste it. You can see these are the HR lines which we are getting, which helps the user to make different pages here. So you can use this HR line many times in your pages here, so it can be styled. Save. You can see many of the HR lines has been here, so you can just create this HR line in whole of your page here if you want to create, because it will be giving help to the user if they want to just work, and if they want that their you can say page should be with the pages. You can see this is the different thing which we are getting here. You can also make this thing like pattern, like if I make here, and if I just write here HR again this time, so you will be getting many of the HR tag, and you can see these are the HR lines which we are getting. So you can just give the background color to your background, and then you will be getting different color in different lines, mean that this is the different pages which we have created, and you can do it using pages and next step. So I will be moving on to this app.css file now. After moving to this file, if I want to give any color, so I will be writing here background should be crimson. So I'll be writing this save, like when I've just given this crimson color to my background, you can see this line has been changed into white, and our background has been changed into crimson color, which is looking awesome. You can see it is like pattern thing which we are getting on our page. So like this, you can use pages, and next step. So here now I've telling you like how you can use this all stuff. You can also change the color of HR lines which you are getting. You can change into black or any other color if you want to do that. Like if I write here background of HR should be black, so you can write 000, which is the color code of black. You have to save it from here, and then after saving this, you have to reload to check it is working. You can see the background is not changing because we have just written HR here. So I will be now saving it, and after saving, just you have to reload. So this is the thing which I want to show you. Like this, you can change the color of your HR line as well. You can also set your HR line by giving its width or height by your own self. So you can see we are getting this HR lines here. You can give different colors to your HR line using this pages and next step. Like if I move on to my app.js file again, first of all I'll be saving on this file, then moving to app.js file again. Here I will be raising all the codes which we are getting of HR. And if I want to just give any of the other effect on my page, so you can just use some of the other tag as well, because there are many of the tags to give effect here to your text or anything like that. So if I just move here, and then if I just write a tag which should be like this thing, and then I will be now just writing like you can say this is the thing which we have written. So if I write this input box here, and after writing this input here, I will be writing type is equals to, and in the type if I write here like you can say this color. After writing this color, if I just now close this input box like this, and then after closing, just I'll be raising this close tag. So save it here. You can see we are getting the color tag, and from here you can change the color of your text. You can see this. You can change the color of your text. You can change the color of your background, but for that you have to put the codes of JavaScript, so you can work with this. But we'll be not putting any code. Just I want to show you that how you can use this color tag as well to just give color to any other object you want to give to. So like this you can just use. So I hope you understand what are pages and next step which we used in React 18, and I hope you understand this video. If you understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well. If you want to see more videos related to React 18, you can also suggest me in the comments what projects should I made using React 18 and what language tutorial should I cover when I'm working with React 18. And moving forward, I'm also building big videos. You can check that out. I've built many of the projects also, because that will giving help to a user if they want to learn that all stuff and they want to build their own projects here. So just now we'll be starting with our big projects in future. So today will be now I will be meeting you next project with more amazing things using React 18. So for today, goodbye.